6735. 35. Now just having a camera session to 3 hours so. Back in the hotel, रात 9 थी and you're really tired. Still आराम न करते रहना because असांखे पंहिंजी वीडियो लाइ वर्क करणो आहे. So the entire team was gonna sit and brainstorm over that thing. So वधीक कुछ vlog करण लाइ मिलियो न. Hello everybody. It's day 3 of the workshop. वो आता shoot का क्यों and you can see behind कि ना shooting चालू है. Day 4 was hectic as well and back-to-back sessions and stuff. So it's not really easy because 12 to 14 hours time daily sessions attend karna and physically bhi also perform bhi karna. Still it's a lot of fun learning everything. Jam kuch sikhana to mile and it's a great opportunity to learn everything. I feel कि jam lucky I am यो opportunity मुझे मिली है कि ये सब सिखाना ही है and to be among all those top creators having a lot of creative mind, creative brains and yeah, that's it for this vlog. Right now, I'll just go to sleep. Bye bye. Take care.